What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are special verbs that help us express ideas like ability, possibility, permission, necessity, and advice. They come before the main verb and do not change for different subjects, no s, ed, or ing endings. Examples of modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. Let's go through each modal verb, one by one, with clear explanations and simple examples. Can. Used for ability, permission, or possibility. Meaning, you use can when you are able to do something, or when you allow something. Examples: I can swim, ability. She can play the guitar very well. Can I go to the bathroom asking permission? Speaking practice tip: try saying, I can speak English. I can cook. I can dance.
Could. Used for past ability, polite requests, possibility. Speaking head in silhouette # meaning. Could is the past form of can or a softer way to ask. Memo examples: I could run fast when I was younger. Past ability. Could you help me, please? Polite request. It could rain tomorrow. Possibility. Counterclockwise arrows speaking practice tip. Say, when I was a child, I could.
Used for permission and possibility. Meaning, may is a formal way to ask for permission or talk about chances. Examples: may I ask you a question? Formal permission. She may come later, possibility. You may leave now, permission given. Try saying politely, may I. Might. Used for small or uncertain possibility. Meaning, might is like may, but less certain. Examples: he might be at home, maybe yes, maybe no. It might snow tonight, possibility. She might not come to the party. Practice: think of 3 things that might happen tomorrow. Must. Used for strong necessity or rules. Meaning, must is for things that are very important or required. Examples: you must wear a seatbelt, law, rule. I must finish my homework today, necessity. We must be quiet in the library. Say things you must do today. I must go to school. I must eat lunch. Shall. Used for offers, suggestions, formal future, British English. Meaning, shall is more formal and often used for polite suggestions. Examples: shall we go out for lunch? Suggestion. I shall return soon, formal future, British. Shall I open the window? Practice saying polite offers with shall I. Should. Used for advice or recommendations. Meaning, should is used when you think something is a good idea. Examples: you should eat more vegetables, advice. He should call his parents. We should study for the test. Practice: I should drink more water. I should go to bed early. Will. Used for future actions or promises. Meaning, will shows what you plan to do in the future. Examples: I will call you tomorrow. She will arrive at 8 a.m. We will help you. Say what you will do this week. I will clean my room. I will study English. Would. Used for polite offers, hypothetical situations, repeated past actions. Meaning, would is used for polite or imaginary situations. Examples: would you like some coffee? Polite offer. I would buy that car if I had the money, imaginary. When I was young, I would walk to school every day, past habit. Try, I would love to visit Japan. Final tips. Modals are always followed by the base verb, no s, ed, or ing. She can dance. She can dances. Modals do not need do, does, in questions or negatives. Can you help? Do you can help?